think he likes his haircut. Like your haircut? You tired boy. Yeah.
It's a nice looking melon.
Yeah. He's like a little boy. He's not a baby anymore.